always. Two bad bitches and we kissing in a way, kissing in a way, kissing in a way. I need that black card in the code to the safe. Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today I'm going to give you 4 habits that you should get into for healthy, relaxed hair. I am a relaxed girl. I have been natural. I have been texturized, and now I just consider myself relaxed. That eyelash is like, not today, girl, not today. I don't feel like filming today, girl. Oh, thank you to everyone who has subscribed, who has liked, who has commented. That means so much to me. It helps me grow my channel. It helps me give you guys what you like. So continue to do that. Continue. Let's grow. Let's grow this channel. I'm so excited to where it could be and where it's going. Anyway, let's get into this video. Habit number 1, stop relaxing your hair so often. Why are you relaxing your hair so often? Who needs 6 weeks or 8 weeks? You going back in for a relaxer. Who needs a relaxer within that time? No one's hair grows that fast. You may have a crinkle or a curl. You don't have to relax that. That's not even an inch of hair. Like, come on, like, stop it. Habit number 2, find a deep conditioner that works for you. I've gotten to the point where I only use 2 different types of conditioner. One for when I'm wearing my hair in braid outs, and the other is for when I know I'm going to be putting heat on my hair. So the one that I use for my braid outs, I get from Target. It's this intensive hydrating mask by Shea Moisture. I love this stuff. It like really holds in a lot of moisture, and this is great when you use it under a dryer. Like deep conditioners, you need to put a plastic bag or cap over your head and sit under a dryer. Please sit under a dryer. When I'm straightening my hair, I use this Wella Professional's Brilliance. This stuff, oh, and it smells so good. It's super lightweight. It gives your hair bounce and movement and shine and everything us girls want. Love it. Habit number 3, how to extend the life of your hair. I don't care whether that is, just pulling it back in a bun, putting it in a top knot. Like, if you can go an extra week or 2 without redoing your hair, without putting more heat in your hair, that's the best route to go, you guys. Whatever you can do to extend the life of your style or just not manipulate it as much, that's the route you want to go. Habit number 4. I know us ladies do not like to look rough and tough when you're going to bed, but please wear a satin scarf or a bonnet, silk or satin, whatever you want to call it, whatever you want to do. Just make sure you have it on your head at night. It will make a world of difference. Those are the habits that I feel like every relaxed girl should already know, but you'd be surprised a lot of them don't, or if they do know it, they don't apply it, and then they want to know why their hair is dry, why is their hair brittle, why is it not growing past a certain point. That is why you are not applying the basic habits you should have on an everyday basis, just dealing with your hair. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Be loved.